Hi guys, sorry for the face and the voice and everything. I'm a little sick, but we are gonna be doing some deviled eggs today. A super quick and easy recipe using the 5-5-5 method. I know there's a lot of eggs in here because I'm doubling up on the recipe, but it's 12 eggs, 3/4 cup of mayo, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, salt and pepper, and paprika. And also if you want to top off with some chives, which I like to do, but super easy. All you gotta do is put about, I have 24 eggs in here, but you put 12 or you double up, however, so don't look at my volume here. I put a cup and a half of water at the bottom. They're sitting on top of the egg tray, and I mounted some on top. That's no big deal. You're gonna go ahead and close your pot and put it on for 5 minutes, high pressure. Make sure you close the vent. Once that beeps, you're gonna give it a 5-minute natural release. So you want it to say L05. You could put a timer on. And once that's done, you're gonna go ahead, take them out and put all the eggs into an ice bath for another 5 minutes. So that's what they call it, the 5-5-5 method. 5 minutes high pressure, 5 minutes natural release, and 5 minutes ice bath. So I'm gonna wait till this is ready and I'll get back to you guys when it's done. So while your eggs are cooking, you can actually start doing your pre-mixture of the mustard and the mayonnaise. I usually do a 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and also some salt and pepper to taste. So you want to make it really smooth, because once this is done, once the eggs are done, you're going to go ahead, cut the eggs in half, take out the yolk, put it in here, and mix it all in to make your mixture for your yolk. All right, so guys, all my eggs, well, first off, my Instant Pot beeped. I let it sit for 5 minutes after it beeped. I took them out and I put them in an ice bath for 5 minutes. So I'm gonna start grabbing, sorry. Wow, that's beautiful, beautiful. Go play. This angle here is weird. So I'm gonna start grabbing each and every one, and you're gonna see how easy it is to crack. I'm gonna go ahead and drain the water of this bowl. And then once I crack it, I have a little bag here where I'm throwing all the shells. All right, so if you guys can see, let me show you how easy it is to crack these things. So you just hit, roll, and they break open. That's it. All right, once all my eggs are deshelled, I like to give it one last rinse with cool water. Make sure no cracks are left, no shells are left on the eggs. And then we'll go ahead and begin our cutting process. All right, so after the egg has been washed, you just cut it in half. And all we're gonna do is scoop out the white yolk, the yellow yolk, the white yolk. And put these on a platter laid out flat, because we're gonna use them later.
Jack. Jackie.
No.
No, Jack. Jack. Jackie. Yo, que pite. Yo.
¿Tiene peste los huevos?
Ya. Tiene feo.
Apparently she thinks my eggs are ugly. All right, now that the egg yolk is separated from its white, you're gonna go ahead and add the mixture we made earlier with the mayonnaise and the Dijon mustard. And then you're gonna just mix this all in. If you wanna use a electric whisk or whatever the hell they're called, you can do that. I would, but I don't want to clean it after, so I'm just gonna do it by hand. All right, so I ended up using an electric mixer because it was taking too long. So as you can see, the consistency is fluffy. You don't want it to be runny because it's harder to pour into. You don't want to pour it into. So I take a little kid spoon and I actually just pop it in there, and that's it. I forgot to mention that if you wanted to make them look super cute, you could put it in a Ziploc bag, cut the tip open and use it. It'll actually make it a little bit easier and cleaner if you want to do that. So I'm going to do that for my mom's side. For my side, I don't really care.